Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I really appreciate you being here on this video. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you tune in on the next one. If you have not yet, click that subscribe button, click the bell for pop-ups of videos whenever I post, and comment your best one. So July Sunday, November 7th, we went to the beach. We decided that we wanted fish for dinner, so we went fish hunting, and this is our journey heading to the beach to get some fish for dinner. Delicious fish for dinner. Yes, you telling them? Yeah. So in this case now, Pinky's a bit upset. She's walking alone. Shh, mommy is talking. She's a bit upset. She's walking alone. I guess she'll soon be happy once more. Right, Zav? Zav? Hi, Zav. Hi. Hi. Look at her face. While Pinky's, she gone ahead on the journey. Okay, so we're almost at the beach. This journey, I usually walk this journey while I was pregnant with Zav, baby Zav. Yes, a lot. And this is her first time walking this road while, yeah, since she born. A lot of people is at beach. Come. Hi, puppy. Come on. Yeah. Hi. Good morning. She didn't run gone out yesterday. Which Medusa you are? Run down hotel? Ah, Mara! You see him? Well relaxed. Tommy a touch sun. In the water. On the beach. Some people must know which part is. And then watch it a vlog. Yeah. Guys, whenever you are watching this vlog, please put your video to the highest level, the highest quality, video quality. Yes, you get better experience while watching this video. Okay. Please feel free to like and share, and feel free to comment. Keep it real. And my video, one of them, feel comfortable with video then. Watch me. Morning. Really have to go get back on Android phone, you know. She then gone with me. Zavi! Zav! Zav baka I'll pop off. Like he keep on a bend back. I really have to go get back. May I use my husband's phone to continue the video because the space done. Yes, man. You see how I feel? Anyway, what? You must say, anywhere where I go, I care if I go care Zav. No, I feel. So me and them a pop off. Zav no start step off yet. She a walk like hold on and walk, but she no start step off yet. Zavi, fish? Fish? Go. Yeah. Why YouTube can't see them? I have to make YouTube see them. See fish. YouTube see fish. In YouTube. You guys you see fish? Or you don't see them? Too far. Alright, next time. See me here? Long time I don't come down here now. See my phone here. Fully full. Long time I don't come down here, so. See me here, people. Jesus, me can't believe say it done. It done. You can't believe say you use 1 month. One month. I lie. 1 month. Zavi done this I laugh so. What kind of lyrics you are telling me in my ears? Oh, guys, we did not get any fish in the other area over where we're coming from. No fish. Pussy, I didn't call him, man. You know, then say not gonna see. Yeah. See saltwater fish, nice. Freshwater fish not nice. All it was just raw. Like to me, I didn't grow up I eat still. Like my parents, they usually buy freshwater fish at Fish World and so. Fish World. But since me turn adult, I've been eating. Because my husband love seawater fish. He love that the fish there too. So we walk in on Sunday morning to see if we get any fish. In the first area where we were, there are some men. They always go to sea to get fish. Then set the net out at sea and all kind of something. Catch fish. Whichever time season it is, whichever fish season it is, that the fish then them sell and go on. So we head into another area to see if there are no fish over there. Some other guys over so them always this turn up man. My skin. Morning.
Yeah, man.
Morning. Around here, so no walk. Pinky. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, go the wrong way. Come on, fire real. Man, they lock you up, don't you? So, right. Take the right turn. There, look over there. James Bond. The one time swing. James Bond. Kind of grassy. And then biggest stage of Beanie Man, they usually they can jump to glory. Zavi. Yeah, watch Bobby. This is mommy so. Yeah, I think go. Little milk. Daddy. Doing my back camera. So we are take shortcut, you know. Yeah, we are taking a shortcut. And so we are go. Not round so. But me just a show you sit one boat there with fish. If you no can see. So one boat there coming in. But then they lost in the system. See them there? Yeah, you see them? Yeah man, we know so see them. One boat are coming in, so we are going there. See if we get no fish, cause they have to give some fish in the place. Need some fish. That back again. Go far, then go and left me. To be a vlog. The whole of us are dump up land, you know. You see, usually run come right back to and lick up on this. So up there, so is one primary school up there. So we all know. Arakabessa Primary School. Come on, man, said they now want back the school there. Reach now.
After I died, some of them never swimming now.
Yeah. So much people there. And the fish. This one here, I wash a fish. Thank you, but this is playing a sand. Find this one here. Zavi, man, I drop Edwin. Watch big fish. Let me write TM one.
You don't afraid of nothing. You don't afraid of nothing.
In no edge.
Mas só no fim de go over there. He move to lose the balance.
Girl.
Hi, mommy. Hello.
Maybe I phone you guys before.
Zavi. Yeah, do. Chima pay everything. Only for people sell fish. They go fishing, yeah.
We just have foot down in it, you know.
What's up, many fish?
You sorry, name the body. You the stung at what is going on? Man, me go right there. What you don't know.
Got the phone on your baby.
You want to go back in there?
Never use an afraid of cooking. One time I'm afraid of cooking.
You want to see?
I'm here, see fish with my sister over there, so I play in the sun.
Oh, we have been
I'm afraid of everything. Pinky! Pinky, hello.
7 pounds.
Now come for fish.
Yes, some of me. Yeah. Give me the money when I back at that now.
Yeah.
Give me the money when I back at that.
No money, I don't copy. Money copy. You know, photograph money if you have money.
That look like money, that's full.
I know good money they back there, the photograph.
Good money, that.
My girl, photograph on the back there.
No photograph on that.
You back me up to come
Back up where money that
my girl,
Slime.
don't back him up here.
I the one you pass the road look like a man, you know.
We put people there up so too.
Yeah, so you need a family that
Fish.
Where you call for me penny for? Where you no going? You might call for you call for them.
Yeah, where you have to go? Snack. Pinky snack.
I'm comfy.
To call pinky snack. When you boat them. Fish them team.
We carry it up, granny.
Them team.
Darling.
Pinky.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm going to flick you over the thing.
Them there.
I'm the one lock you.
You know, pull.
No pull. Zavi. You want some of my Dixie?
Carry ko bag. Soda. Yung pili na setting ko yung
Artlist.io.
No, this one next fish water ko.
Music licensing reimagined.
Tingnan ba? Catch a fish. Wala yung fish. Patintik tayo ako. Easy yan. Movie na. Ship na. Yan.
Artlist.io.
Ravi, ready? You can steal fish. Before you full again. Full is a full, you need a camera. But then may ready na.
Music licensing reimagined.
Dolphin fish. I'm gonna go look on dolphin fish. First na sila one. Think yan na siya kasi first. Kaya bati? Try dolphin one yata. Ada sila yung hari na yung dolphin. Ay ko na yung sa attraction.
Artlist.io.
Big one.
Music licensing reimagined.
I want them to eat. Oh. Hey. Watch Pinky Lubati.
Dirty like a wire, I can shit up with the water shit.
You shit up with water shit. Pinky, what we gonna do your body so? You wanna go swim now? Eh?
You man in the water.
Go scream. Alright. So we are head back out now. Go scale the fish.
Artlist.io.
I'm going to let you chew, but me have back to them.
Huh?
Them are going to let me chew.
Let me back too. We go through the gate, then should have there this a gate here. If they don't want to let it in. Eh?
Music licensing reimagined.
Between you and I, still you right there under my skin. I've been
Artlist.io.
Thinking on a fallout, it leaves me numb. But it's something that might never come. So I'll be waiting here in your arms.
Music licensing reimagined.
Silence deep inside. Held on a wish and gone with the wind. A whisper, just give me a sign. 'Cause I'm right here, beyond and within.
Artlist.io.
I've been waiting. There's no fault lines to crack and leave me aching. Thinking on the fallout, it leaves me numb.
Music licensing reimagined.
Might never come, so I'll be waiting here in your arms. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting.
Artlist.io.
I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I've been waiting. I've been
Music licensing reimagined.
but there's no fault lines to crack and leave me aching. Thinking on the fallout, it leaves me numb. But it's something that might never come. So I'll be waiting here in your arms. I'll be waiting.
Artlist.io.
In your arms, I'll be waiting here in your arms.
Oi, watch Pinky she. One. That man. Che. You see him? You see mommy? Hi. Hi. Look, say hi guys. Say hi guys. Say hi guys. Say hi. Look, let me turn it around. This is so good at it. Yeah, say hi guys. Hi guys. Say hi guys. See there? Me no carry my tripod. And it's hard, it's very hard. Yeah, laugh with Pinky. Say hello. Say hi. How are you? Say how are you? Yes? Kiss kiss? Kiss kiss? Come, we are going to scale fish. We are going to look how fish are scale. Come birdie. Come get your fish. Zav. You know, say second time since you come out of belly. Good day here, so. Go swim. Just scale. Eat up for the birthday girl. Bang it up for the birthday girl. Eat up for the birthday girl. The birthday girl. The birthday girl. Eat up for the birthday girl. Tomorrow is the birthday girl. Monday is the birthday girl. Monday 8 is the birthday. Is that me? Eh? Stand up and show them. Stand up and dance show them. You not go dance show them, you know? Come. Okay guys, we have reached the end of our vlog. Can you believe that? The end of our vlog. The end of our vlog. I really appreciate you being here for tuning in, and I hope you come again. Come again. Say bye bye. Link me up on my other channel at Sential Ganixx. You will see the link down in the description box. It is spelled SentialGanixx. Sential Ganixx. See you there. Zavi, look. Follow me on all social, IG, yeah, Instagram, and TikTok. Tomorrow is her birthday, November 8th. November 8th, my baby will be 1. Show them ones up. One. What do you say? Bye bye. Can say bye bye. Look. Bye bye. Say see you then. Say see you then. Say see you then. See you then. You did? Did. You feel fan. See you then. Let's go. We're going away. Say bye. See you then. Boo. You don't do something. You don't do. You want to try again? You want to try again? Look. You just watch your sister, so. Watch your sister, so. Look. Screen, I'm going on. Oh, it's back up. See you then. You're too for it. See you then. One more thing. We are coming on this. We are coming for this. Look, Zavi, look. See you then. Alright, one last time. 2 foot, Zav. 2 foot, Zav. See you there. Again. See you there. Guys, I know that I ended the vlog earlier on, but we reached a grandfather farm. Zav grandfather and Pinky grandfather farm. Just so I couldn't get a glimpse. I see Huggy over there, so Huggy look like he hug you. Pinky. See? Smell pineapple. No, don't eat pineapple. Oh, sorry if I disturb you guys. To hurry up, because the memory low.
Roost up on the farm down there.
See me? Hey, Roosy. Roosty. Hey, man one day. Man, yeah. The Jenna. Gorilla this, you know. See gorilla there. Yeah, not bad. You see it big afraid. I'm afraid I'm pretty. Eat Pinky.
Azar! Come jump here, my toy over there for them. Come here.
So you want to eat the fish? My foot. Sexy foot. Hey, feel me sexy foot, man. Alright, I guess I don't know. So in there again, piglets. Gone, you know. Why? Mama, a 3-time ant sketch me, you know? In a ant's nest. Then shit big, so. Man. Oh, some over here, so. This one here. Say hi. Hi, vloggy. Hey. Say hi. Say hi. Say bye-bye. You smelly fish. You smelly fish. Say bye. Come. Greet them, bye.
See you then. Thanks for watching.